So sa pag-fill out nito, again, yung mga naka-underline lang dito, pwede nyo palitan. You can use your details and i-check nyo lang yung certificate of registration ninyo. Dapat yun yung name na naka-indicate doon, yung address and the TIN number. So ito, example is I, Monkey D. Luffy. Ayan, yung legal age, business address, Don Island, Fuchsia Village, Makati City, Philippines. And then, yung TIN ninyo, ilagay ninyo. Example, ayan, 0001234568888. Ayan, after having been duly sworn in accordance with law, hereby depose and state. So number one is, ito nakalagay lang dito that you derive income from sale of goods and services from electronic marketplace. So dito ilagay nyo lang lahat ng mga marketplaces na kung saan kayo nagbebenta. So in our example, nilagay natin lahat Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. So number two, ayan, so madami din confuse dito that for the period, this is for the current period, for the 2026. So January 1 to December 31, 2026, if you would want to be exempted with the 0.5% na withholding tax, so do not exceed 500,000 for this year. But if ever, ayan, mag-exceed ng 500,000 pesos, ayan, you are, ano na, automatic yan na withholdan kayo ng mga marketplace operators ng 0.5%. So, ayan. So, number three, ayan, nakalagay lang dito that if anytime during the taxable year, so for the 2026, if ever yung mga gross remittances ni Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok will exceed 500,000, ayan, automatic na magwi-withhold. And then number four, ayan, template lang din yan, nothing to change. And then number five, nothing to change then. And then dito na tayo sa baba. So, ilagay nyo lang kung yung date kung kailan kayo nag-sign. Ayan, ilagay nyo dito. For example, 8th day of January 2026 at Makati City, Philippines. And then, ilagay nyo yung taxpayer name ninyo and then signature above your taxpayers, above your name, I mean. And then dito sa baba na ito is a notary public na.